let's see this question, and the question says that choose the incorrect options. तो ये आपको कुछ options given है and you have to tell the incorrect statement. So the key concept that we will be using here is the bond length. Bond length. So the order of bond length is single bond, then double bond, and then triple bond. So on the basis of this concept, let's try to solve our question. All the NO bond lengths are equal in nitrate ion. So firstly, let's draw the structure of nitrate ion. यहाँ पर resonance होगी and hence we will draw the more structures. Again, resonance will be there. So the resonance hybrid will be so this is the resonance hybrid of NO3 minus, that is nitrate ion, and as we can see that this is a partial double bond. तो यहाँ पर जितनी भी बॉन्ड लेंथ है NO के बीच में वो सारी इक्वल है क्योंकि हर बॉन्ड लेंथ क्या है, पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड. पार्शियल डबल बॉन्ड. तो फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट तो ठीक है बट वी हैव टू टेल द इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट. Then for all the DCO bond lengths are equal in sodium carbonate. That means carbonate anion they are talking about. CO3 2 minus. Now let's draw the structures of CO3 2 minus. इसका भी सेम रेजोनेंस हाइब्रिड बनाएंगे. Same partial double bond character is there in every CO bond. Partial double bond character. That means all three CO bonds bond lengths are equal. Second statement is also correct. Then all the bond lengths are equal in acetic acid. For acetic acid, this is the structure. As we have discussed in the concept कि जो डबल बॉन्ड की बॉन्ड लेंथ होती है वो कम होती है सिंगल बॉन्ड के कंपैरिजन में, एंड सो दीज आर नॉट इक्वल. सो ऑप्शन सी इज योर करेक्ट आंसर क्योंकि आपको इनकरेक्ट स्टेटमेंट बताना था. सो ऑप्शन सी इज योर करेक्ट.